Hello friend, how are you? Fine. Peugeot 307. How can you change the cabin filter? AC cabin filter. Let's go. Watch the full video and subscribe my channel. Get you new video after. Looks. This is the engine component. Engine right set. Open this cover. This engine cover. And right side near the shock observer. Inside have one cover, this one cover only open this cover. This one is as a air filter. You can easily remove this filter and change another new filter. Oops. Slowly you can open this filter. This one is filter. You can change another filter new. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching.